we've got a tom yum on the go today. Again, this one is with a pork sausage. It is absolutely delicious, super spicy, smoothed out with the coconut milk. Bundles and bundles of bouquet, beautiful, pungent Thai herbs and spices. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. Okay, so you saw the sausage just then. Thai sausage or Chinese sausage. Now there are many different types. You can use whichever one you want. This is a pork sausage here. Coconut milk 400 ml. Onion sliced. 1 tomato chopped. Lime leaves or kaffir leaves. Dried red chili. This is a chili paste or chili sauce. I've got here 2 fresh red chilies, a little bit of chopped lemongrass, some green onions, galangal. Now don't confuse galangal with ginger. It's completely different. Here I've got some Thai red curry paste. You can buy tom yum paste as well if you want. I'm just using, this is Thai curry paste, which is great in there. Here I've got some holy basil or Thai basil, which is beautiful. Fish sauce, chopped garlic. We're going to add some chicken stock to this as well. Very simple, very delicious. Let's go. So you're going to need a wok or a pan or something like that. I'm using this wok. I'm going to drop in some oil. I'm using a sesame oil. You could use a regular oil like corn oil or something like that if you wanted. I've just got that stuff there. And to that we're going to add our dried red chili. And again, look, you can add as many or as little as you want. This is going to be quite spicy, this one. We're going to drop in our galangal, which I've just sliced. I'm now adding in the 2 fresh chilies. And what I've done, you can just see I've just cut that open there. We're going to add the lemongrass, which I've chopped. If you want, you can just put the lemongrass in, you know, in a big piece. Just sort of beat the end of it and then drop it in. I like just to chop it. We're going to go in with our onion, like a tablespoon of garlic, chopped garlic. And then we're going to be adding in our sausage, which I've kind of cut fairly thin. So on quite a high heat, we're going to go just for 3 minutes. So already the aromas are incredible. I'm now going to add a little bit of salt, black pepper. I'm going to add that tomato, cut nice and small, and try and use a nice ripe tomato. And then we're going to go in with our lime leaves or our kaffir leaves. And what you want to do is just break them roughly. As you break them, it's a really pungent, beautiful smell that comes from them. This is possibly one of the smells that I love the most in cooking. Three more minutes on this high heat. We're well on our way to make this wonderful, spicy, delicious tom yum soup. Okay, I'm going to drop in that chili paste, which is optional. It does give it a bit of a kick. And then we're going to go in with like a tablespoon of the red curry paste. And we're just going to work this in for about another 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to start adding some liquid to it. Okay, I'm going to drop in that little bit of fish sauce. Now, fish sauce is very strong, so be very careful. And it's also very, very salty. I've got some chicken stock here. You could use a different type of stock if you want. We're going to get enough in there just to cover it. Now let it go for 5 or 6 minutes, boiling away on a high heat. Beautiful, beautiful. Now that's super spicy. We're going to smooth it out now with 400 ml of coconut milk. And to that we're going to add in our holy basil or Thai basil. Again, just break it. Roughly as you break it and bruise it, it's going to release its lovely pungent smell. My God, I love that stuff. And don't confuse this with kind of a Mediterranean, Italian-y sweet basil. It's very different. And you can usually tell it has a purple leaf to it. And it smells much more sort of aniseedy, some green onions. Right, we're going to let that go for 4 more minutes and I think it'll be done. Beautiful, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Check that for salt, but believe me, I think it's going to be fine because you've got salt in there and the fish sauce. If you wanted a little bit of cilantro or coriander, I'm keeping it just like that. I'll see you at the table. And there we go, that is done. Absolutely delicious. Pork, sausage, tom yum soup. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way. We're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.